Hey everybody. So Billy, yeah, I was in need of a good shave. That head too. And you're right. I just got to relaxing a little bit too much, right? Man, I'm just like, oh, I don't want to shave today. I don't want to shave tomorrow. I don't want to shave the next day. But finally, I was getting pretty gruff. So believe it or not, though, I'd already done this before I even read your comment. So don't take credit for me cleaning up, homie. Well, look, I know y'all hadn't seen me in the kitchen lately. Y'all hadn't seen me cooking nothing. So I thought I would show you me preparing a fine American meal here. So here we go. So to start out, you need a plate. You get this plate right here. Then you gotta prepare. Let me get this all prepared here. Hold on just a second. I gotta get all this prepared. So there it is. This is the fastest cooking show ever of American cuisine. There it is. I think that is the one food you can probably get almost any country in the world. I think almost any country. I'm not going to try to get into fine details of who does or doesn't have it, but I think that is something you can probably find this taste anywhere. Yeah, sometimes you got to cheat and have a burger. I just wanted the burger only. I didn't want the fries, the Coke, none of that. I haven't had no fast food in a while. I haven't been eating very much. Boy, I tell you, it's hard to cut down, I tell you. Especially when they're just cooking food around you everywhere all the time. So I've been eating more soups and things like that. Staying away from the fried, staying away from the oily. Gotta watch myself. I need to see this project through. Well, I'm gonna get off here and eat this fine American meal. Yeah, I gotta see the BBQ grill under the light. So we can give y'all a little update on what happened here today. This was James's project. Yeah, this is what I worked on. Cussing that hollow block, but I use it for this, you know, make a little barbecue grill. So we got a little bit of junk sitting in here right now. Let me set this on out. You see, this is what happens to these hollow blocks right here. Right there, that's what happens to them. Look there, I threw that down and it broke into, look at that. These blocks hadn't even cured good yet. So it's my little extension up on the back wall we added up. Block the wind off, get a little privacy. Then right here in this section here, down to there, let's see how long that is. Down that section there, I'm gonna have grills made to go across it. Maybe I may have like 3 of them made, or just 2. And that way you got your charcoal or your wood. If you want to burn some wood down and turn it into coals. I can get some pretty good wood up here. It's kind of similar to mesquite in the U.S. It's a tree that really looks a lot like mesquite tree in the U.S. Move this out of the way here. So back to the little tour of the grill here. So this is going to have steel grates on top of it, which is actually your grills, as they'll call it here. Your grills right there. And fill this all up. We want to burn just a little bit down here, or we got a big party going on, we can fill it all up. This is my work here today. This isn't paying somebody else to do it all. I did a lot of this here myself. I had to monogram it for me and the wife. Yep. You see this right here? Kitchen Ninja. There she is right there. The Kitchen Ninja right there. She's looking kind of wild savage right now. What's this outfit? What's this wild savage outfit? You're a cheetah?
I'm the cheetah.
So I got the the wild kitchen ninja here with me.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm wearing her cheetah print. So that's that part right there. We're past the grilling part. Then down here, I haven't finished pouring cement yet. When they make cement tomorrow, I'll finish this one little spot right here I got formed up with a little bit of plywood and some blocks. Then here, this is where I'll have some grills made for this. They can burn their firewood underneath and set their big pots on top. I'll probably put one divider down the middle here tomorrow. Set of grills. They can put those big pots when they're cooking the big dishes. When it's family time, birthdays, Christmas, fiesta. They got great big pots. They can sit right up there. Slide that firewood underneath them. Down here we have the grilling going on. So I'll get this all plastered up nice and smooth and pretty. Let this cure for a few days. And go get me some grills welded up. What y'all think about it? So I'm sitting here with my brother. We're having a little beer time. That's right. Right here in the king's chair. Yeah, the king's chair, ain't that right? Me, my brother, Uncle P. Joe. Uncle P. Joe.
Hello.
Yep, the man of many talents we always talk about. We're here having a little beer time. Man, I was thinking about something that's kind of funny. Our barangay captain, when it was flooded back over here, and they showed that they built a bamboo bridge, built a passover over the floodwaters for the local community. But then the floodwaters were released. We had a few days with no rain, and then the Tagawa come along, had them to tear the bridge down, like it's not going to rain again, like it's not going to flood again. I think it's so funny. Here today, gone tomorrow. We had a temporary bridge. Super temporary. How long it last? 1 week?
Maybe 2 weeks.
Maybe 2 weeks?
Yes.
Yeah. If we get rains come in. Hey, did you say there's a storm signal up by Manila right now?
Storm, yeah, kasi the signal number 1 there in 5, what you call province.
Yeah.
Manila, you know, it's
So-
I read this one, you know, just
Right. So if there's a tropical storm in the area again, this means that all that could flood again.